What's up everyone, it is Fergal here and I want to welcome you to my brand new course which is called Empire. So usually the first people in. This is only available to the early bird email list and members of my Facebook group. So you will literally be the very first people that are coming in to join Empire. So I know you're going to love it and I'm really excited to have you in the members area here. So as you know, I live in the, or maybe you don't know, but I live in the Canary Islands right now because it's the middle of winter and I don't like being in Ireland for winter for obvious reasons because the weather is so bad. So I live here and I am able to live here because I am doing the exact method that I'm teaching you inside Empire, which is giving me a passive income while I'm able to go on the beach, while I'm able to go hiking, while I'm able to live whatever kind of life it is that I want to lead here in the Canary Islands. So the system that I have set up that's paying me monthly all the time, if I make one sale, it pays me again and again every single month, is the exact system that I'm going to be teaching you inside Empire. So let me just show you out the window here because I'm in my apartment here now, but I have a pretty cool view. Now please excuse the mess of my room. So let me just show you out the window here. Hopefully you can see it now. I'll pull down my mosquito net. But this is basically out my window. You can see the beach there. I hope you can see it. It's a little bit noisy. But this is where I live during the winter because I'm trying to get away from Ireland. And yeah, this is exactly the kind of life that I'm going to be able to teach you how to lead inside Empire. Because, or maybe you don't want to come to the Canaries. Maybe you want to just have more time to be able to hang out with your family, go play soccer, go do whatever. Or maybe you want to keep your day job and you just want to have this trickle of passive income coming in while you're still working your day job. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be able to teach you inside Empire, because what you're going to be getting is money-making traffic methods that you can implement literally in the first 24 hours to 48 hours and start seeing results from those as well. Now, at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cruise over to my desktop and I'm going to show you some of the previous results from some of my students, and you can see just how much money was coming in. It was like 74,000 in 1 month coming in from all of my students from this method. So really cool methods. And what I have also for you in the inside is interviews with 3 of my top students about how they got this method working for them, how quickly it worked for them, and their previous experience before they did this method. So guys, really happy to have you on this early bird list. You're the first people into Empire, and I can't wait to work with you on the inside to build your affiliate marketing business quickly and easily. So thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing you inside Empire. Okay guys, so here we are over on my desktop, and what I want to do is just show you how my students from my previous course, how they did. So first of all, I'll show you this here. This is over a 30-day period. In total, my students made $56,151.72. In 7 days, I had paid out over almost 15 grand to affiliates in just 7 days. So affiliates doing fantastically from my previous course. Let's take another look at here. We've got this person here said, I'd like to thank Fergal for helping me on how to find making high ticket sales using only Facebook. He made a sale of $963 from just one sale. So that's 2 of my students, or I mean that's 1 of my students, and students in total. There you can see how much money they made. So wanted to show you a couple of testimonials from students of my previous course. This is Yogesh Chowdhury. He's from India, and I actually have a 15-minute interview inside the members area of Empire with Yogesh, so you'll be able to see this interview in full. Yogesh, like I said, is from India, and he said, "Hey Fergal, your training of free traffic method is awesome. I started getting results in less than 48 hours, and in just 8 to 9 days I earn over $600. I earned over $600. All of this comes through free traffic. Thanks, man. You are awesome." So that's Yogesh, and we also have Mike Marino, a bit of a longer one here. So Mike said, Mike Marino, I believe that Mike is in the US, maybe Canada. I'm not sure exactly where Mike is. But Mike said, I've been trying to make money online for 10 years, but nothing seemed to work. I tried being a YouTuber and make money from ads. I tried coaching, joined a bunch of MLMs, and network marketing companies. He tried drop shipping on Shopify, and he has bought a bunch of courses. Nothing seemed to be working out for me in the past year. I've been learning and experimenting with buying solo ad traffic and sending it to sales funnels with affiliate offers. I started seeing my first results, but my ad spend was way more than my sales. Finally, I met Fergal, and with his course, I found true online success for the first time. After watching his training and being coached by him, it took about a half an hour to set up the system that he teaches, and in my first week, I made 23 sales and had 100 list subscribers and was in profit within 3 days. I now have a nice recurring revenue stream now that will keep growing as I repeat the process. The best part was that it was very easy to set up, and all you have to do is follow his exact steps, and it just plain works. Throughout the process, Fergal was messaging me directly on a daily basis to provide direction and feedback, which most coaches charge hundreds or thousands of dollars for that level of support. I have personally paid thousands of dollars for courses and membership, thousands of dollars for courses and membership, and it did not nearly have the level of support that Fergal provides. He is very accessible and will answer any of your questions. Trust me, this is rare. I feel that he genuinely enjoys helping other people succeed. So thank you so much, Mike, for that fantastic testimonial there, guys. So there you have it, guys. We have many successful students from my previous method, and I know that you are going to be just as successful, but probably even more successful with my Empire brand new training method, and I can't wait to see you inside the members area in just a moment. Please click the link below to join right now, and I'll see you there.